In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple languages in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your campaign is targeting people in the languages that matter most to your business. Inside your Google Ads account, start by heading to the main navigation on the left. Click Campaigns. When the secondary pane opens, click Campaigns again to make sure you're looking at the full list. This takes you to a clear overview of all the campaigns you've already created, so you can choose the one you want to adjust. In the campaign list, hover your mouse over the campaign you'd like to update. You'll see a small gear icon appear, which represents the settings for that specific campaign. Click that gear icon to open the campaign's settings page. This is where all the targeting and controls live for that campaign. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Other Settings. Expand that section and look for Languages. This is the control that tells Google which user interface or search languages your ads should be eligible to serve in. Click Languages to edit it. Now you can start adding multiple languages for your campaign. Choose the languages that match the people you want to reach and the languages your ads and landing pages actually support. As a quick tip, language targeting in Google Ads is primarily based on a user's Google interface language or the language of their recent searches, not the country alone. So, pick languages that make sense for your audience behavior and your content. If your ad copy and website are only in certain languages, stick to those to keep the experience consistent and improve performance. When you're happy with your selections, click Save to apply the changes. Your campaign will now be eligible to show to users who match any of the languages you added. After saving, give your campaign a little time and keep an eye on performance metrics like impressions, click-through rate, and conversions to make sure the expanded language settings are helping. If you notice unhelpful traffic, you can come back to this same languages area and refine your list. And that's it. You clicked Campaigns, opened the campaign settings via the gear icon, scrolled to Other Settings, edited languages, added the languages you want, and saved. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.